So this is Joseph once again if you're stumbling on my page for the very first time. Alright, so today I will be showing you how to set up your BitBrowser, set up the cloudphone path, and then of course the browser part of it. Okay, so why do you need a cloudphone? You need a cloudphone to help you max your location, change your fingerprint for those who want to run multiple accounts. All right, so it will help protect your cookies, your TRC, and then also helps you give you a corresponding DNS location. All right, so you hit the sign up button right here and it will bring you somewhere like this. All you need to do is sign up with your email and your password, or via Facebook or via Google. Okay, after signing up, it will bring you automatically here. So this is it. So you can decide to download your BitBrowser app. I would recommend you download the app for good functionality. Okay, all right, so just hit the Windows 4 64 bit for Windows. All right, because I'm using a Windows system, but if you're using an OS system, you could download for OS. So I'll just go for Windows because my system is a Windows. So it's gonna download and install at the back end of your computer. After signing up and signing in rather, it's going to bring you here. If you log in, it's going to bring you here, so you can either go to the official website or open the Bit browser. So but I'll open the Bit browser. So this is how the interface looks like. This is where it will bring you to. So you can see I have zero balance of 0 yen, so I would need to recharge to be able to get good functionality for the cloud from part of it. All right, so this is it. This is how the interface looks like. So you can from here automatically go to the official web page. So if you check the comment section of this video, you would see the link to BitBrowser. Do well to use my link so you can get a discount for your purchase. Okay, all right, so let's come to the proxy part of it. When you come to the proxy part, here you can set up your proxy. Now these are a list of recommended proxies. All right, all you need to do is go to your official web page, check the pricing if they're okay for you. So the two top are the most recommended, but I use Jonix. Okay, so if you check the comment section of this video, you would see Jonix, link to Jonix proxy. All right, so let's go to proxy management. So you can see I have two proxies here already. Under proxy management, you'll see them here. I have loaded these two proxy, and now I'm going to show you how to load your proxy. All right, so go to the add, click the add button, and it's going to bring you here. Now once it brings you here, the first thing to do, leave it at custom, let it be at custom. Then you impute your proxy detail, impute the host, the path. If there is username and password, you could just put that also. Okay, then you check your proxy. Once you check, that's all, and then you click save. It's going to bring you here just like mine. So I have two proxies here. The next thing to do is to go to the browser profile. You can see this is my browser profile area. It's loading. Now you can see I have one profile. I have one browsing profile. Okay, so if I want to browse anything, if I want to go to my Facebook, my article, for those who want to do for those who want to run multiple Facebook accounts, you can come here, create multiple web browser page here, windows here. All right, so I have one profile here. So if I want to add another one, all I need to do is hit the add button. So this is where it will take you to. So you can impute a name if you choose to want to use a name. All right, to differentiate it, I can just say Facebook one, I can say BNB one, anything. If you want to add a tag to it, you can add a tag. And then if you want to select a particular platform, right, a particular platform, you can choose here. So if you select a particular platform, each time you load your browser, it will take you there automatically. But if you don't want to, just let it be. So I'll let it be. All right, so go to your proxy area. You can choose custom. When you choose custom, you would have to when you choose custom, you have to create a new proxy right away. But instead, I'll prefer to go to proxy management, so I can select from already listed proxies I have on the platform. You can see I have two already, so I'll just select from one of the proxies I have saved. All right, so that's that about that. Then you click confirm, but I don't want to confirm it because I already have one profile. So let's launch the profile and see. You can see I've clicked the open button, so it is loading. I'll just wait for it to load. Give it some time. It'll take about 5 seconds or 10 seconds for it to load very well for you. So each time you get to launch your browser, it will help you, give you a unique fingerprint, something that differentiates you from the previous time you signed in. All right, so that your animosity would be well protected. All right. So this is it. You just wait for it to load. You can see I was trying to work on unlock survey with it. I was trying to open an unlock survey account. So you can see this is it. This is my IP. My IP is Minnesota. That's my postcode there, right there. You can see I was trying to work on unlock survey. You can see how fast it is, right? So that's that about that, guys. So if I want to add another one, just hit the plus button. All right, so the next thing to do is to go to the cloud phone area. This is for those who want to work on Atapul, Pawns app, and the rest of all these surveys that require location access. So you can see I already have a cloud phone already working at the background for me. All right, so hit the plus button if you want to create another cloud phone. You can create this, you can create some few numbers. So you can choose your Android version 12, 15, 14. I'll go for rather go for 12, because when you go for 15, your system needs to be very strong to run 15 very well. So you can see I do not have much balance, so you can add balance if you want to. So for 10 yens, if you want to add up 10 yens, it's going to cost you $1.67. Yes, for 10 yens, all right? It's going to cost you. Now you can see now for the trial version, I have a trial version. For each account has a 5 yen trial version. So I've used part of it. So for every 15 minutes you are on this cloud phone, you consume 0.5 yen. For every 15 minutes you consume 0.5 yen. All right, so if you want to enjoy it, don't just wait to use only the trial version. Try to top up so you can have good access. All right, so the next thing to do is to scroll down and add your proxy. That's all. So that's that about that, guys. So if you want to add more, hit the plus button. So let's see, let me launch my cloud phone. So my cloud phone is launching, so give it some time to set up. All right, so do want to check the comment section. You see the link on BitBrowser. Sign up. Also use the check the comment section. You would also find the link to Jonix cloud phone. If you want to use Jonix, follow there and sign up. That's that about that, guys. Hit your Google Play and get started. Peace and love.